Here's Ella eating strawberries. You have to sit back. Sit down. Whoa, look at your mouth. Look at your mouth. Look at you chew. Nope. Sit down. No. You wait. Sit down. See? She likes strawberries a lot. You're chewing that like you're a big girl. Look at your mouth. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Hey. I'll give you more, but you have to sit down. She loves strawberries. Okay, sit down. Is it good? Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? Huh? Yes? You're chewing that, huh? Are you dancing? Are you dancing too? Such a big girl now. Huh? 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 Yeah. Say hi. Hi.